Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add pull basket using the kitchen customize function. So now you want to add your pull basket to this cabinet. Just click on the cabinet, right click, add accessories, and click on the season pull basket. And you can choose any models that you like. Just drag the pull basket to your cabinet. Okay, next you need to change the door type, the door panel type to drawer type. So you can see here on your right side under the door setting. So you can change from hinge door to drawer type. Okay, so now you can test out the opening by click on O, pressing O on your cabinet to test the opening, close, open. And let's say you want to remove the middle panel here, just click on B to enter the panel selection mode. Click on B and select the panel that you want to remove. You can right click, delete, or just click delete on your keyboard. Okay, so now the panel is already removed. And click M to select the whole unit. And you can also adjust the sizing here under this product placement, product info. You can adjust the width, the depth, the height, and also the elevation. Okay, so you can try out this function. Happy trying. Bye bye.